Good morning to you guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make very simple, very effective game, very little of code. Let me expand it. When I press green flag, all my letters get scattered. And the person who plays this game has to sort it. So let me find A. It's not easy. Where is it? Here you go, A. And B is standing right out here. And then I find C, D, and that's a sorting game. It can be numbers, it can be sorting, anything. So let me show you how to do it. Let me create new file. And I will go first to get the backdrop. Something very simple. Then I need my letter. So first I go to this little kitten, choose a sprite, I go find, and here we have the letters. And I choose a letter. When I expand it, when I press green flag, it doesn't go anywhere. So it has to go randomly somewhere. So when green flag clicked, motion, go to random position. Every time I start a game, it has to go to random position. Look, you see? Every time it goes to random. Step number 2, it's not draggable. I cannot drag it whenever I want. So when green flag clicked, sensing, set drag mode to draggable. That's it. That's all the code. And I need lots of them. Every time I pull out another one. B. And next one. If you want to copy the code, you go to the first one and you just drag and drop. Look at the letter B. You see? It has copied the code. You go find letters and then C. You can copy right immediately. Drag and drop. Let me expand. Here you go. I sort it like this. A, B, and C. How can you improve it? You can make something more interesting. Like you can make eyes for them. Let's go to the circle. And I draw just one eye. Something like this. Yeah. So I made an eye. I'm gonna copy it and paste it. You see my eye? I'm gonna copy. I put my eye right out here and paste. Here, my letter A has eyes. Now I will go to B and paste again. Here you go, paste. Yeah, now it looks better, letter B. Letters are more like a human out here. They're gonna hide somewhere. Let's go to letter C, paste, and paste. Okay, let me expand. Yeah. What else can you do? They can be hiding behind something. So let's go to little kitten, find, and let's find a tree. Here we have a lovely tree. It can stand somewhere here. Let's find another one. Let's make this bigger. Yeah, so we have a lovely tree. Maybe that's too big. Let me expand. You see? This one is hiding. Come here. A, B, C, D. And if there are lots of them, it's very nice to play. There can be numbers. Let me show you. So let's go to little kitten. Paint. I choose text tool. To make letters, you have to do text tool, click once, write the letter, black arrow, expand it, and then you paste eyes or draw them. Or you can copy, just drag it with Alt. Here you go. You see? It can be anything. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya!